We're now going to begin troubleshooting. If I did not contact Insta360, I will still be waiting for a reply. And this is what this letter is telling us. Please allow your Luna unit to fully drain its battery until the power is off completely, and then recharge it to 100%. So basically what's going to happen, let's set our camera up to 8K and record. I'm going to remove the controller, allow this to drain. We're going to come back and we're going to make sure after the camera shuts down 3%, nothing's going to work. Then we're going to allow it to sit there for a couple of hours because standby will still be on the camera and the camera must fully shut down. I want to let the camera cool down. It's about 97 degrees after using it and depleting it to 1% and 3%. We are depleted 1%, 2%. We have the Insta360 cable into a 300 watt PD20 3.0 amp plugging in. We have the battery in white, an orange indicator at 10:13. Touching the screen does not show any power. The camera is fully in the off, charging. 2 minutes later, touching the screen, we have 4%, 3%. It's almost an hour later, touching the screen, 100%, 100%. We'll let this run out. We are now going to turn our camera on. Do like we normally do on every morning is swipe down, hover, format, and get ready to shoot our day's worth of video. We are on 100%, 100%. If we go down to about 75% and recharge, this is what it's going to look like. 75, 91%. Let's shut down the camera. Pull off the cable and plug in the 3.0 and allow it to charge. We'll come back when 100% by tapping the screen like so and then seeing if it went off. 100% on both. 2 minutes later, the orange light will go out. When loading new firmware, we practice formatting the card, factory resetting the camera. With an orange indicator, now we have to practice depleting the camera, an unwanted step to get rid of the light. Is the problem solved? We don't know, but the random issue has been addressed for now.